My name is Honorable Wycliffe Siecha, a member for Ichuni Ward, and also I double up as the chairperson implementation committee in the county assembly of Kisii. I also want to affirm and register my disappointments and confirm that whatever that has been read here by my majority leader in the assembly, my sentiments will not fall far apart. It was quite unfortunate of an elected leader of a caliber of the National Assembly Chief Whip to come and interrupt a peaceful procession that was being conducted in seeing of one of our heroes, the late Paul Ayema, who again doubles as the father to one of our colleagues in the Assembly, Honorable Paul Okombo. This incident is not only unfortunate but equally a sin, not only before men but equally before God, because even in the Bible we read the pronouncements that have been made by God that it's good to go to the house of mourning rather than going to the house of Mary. I want to say, in harmony with the sentiments that have been registered and in harmony with the statement that will be registered, my colleagues, that we must condemn that in the strongest way possible, and we must put to task the Inspector General of Police. We must take to task also the CS Interior, and equally we must also bring this to the attention of the President, that those whom he has given power to help him deliver to the people of Kenya are the ones again using the same power to suppress and oppress those who are not in power. It is something that will not over well, even if you put yourself in the same shoes of my colleague, Honorable Paul Okombo, that you are having a service to lay your father to rest, and then someone walks in, preaching protocol, riding on a motorcycle through the main dais, and goes sitting down on the ground, ignoring the office he is holding as a national leader, and then goes on when other leaders are making their statements, giving their morning statements, and paying their last respect to the late, and then someone walks and just interrupts and makes a funeral that was underway ending abruptly. We want to say that as a people, we are not happy, and we cannot allow this to continue, because a few people have decided to turn the businesses that we are transacting as a government into businesses of fights here and there, just to derail us from focusing on how we can deliver to our people. To the right honorable and to Honorable Osoro, because this is not the first incident he is doing this. He has done it before in the funeral of the late parent to the former deputy governor in Kisii, whereby when His Excellency Paul Simba was making a statement, he rose and went interrupted and just turned that funeral chaotic. And this is the second funeral he's doing the same. His pronouncements in funerals are only meant to incite people and not even to give messages of condolences to those who are mourning. Even just recently in the funeral of a parent to one of the honorable members, he made statements that equally have resulted into inciting the people of Karoka, and now we are having chaos right, left, center simply because of what he uttered. Finally, I want to say this to His Excellency the President, to keep watch on those people he has given power and to ensure that they are using that power to serve people and not to oppress people. Thank you.